Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm a little bit of a hot mess. I put blue eyeshadow on because I'm in the 80s for some reason. I also am trying to detangle my necklace so that I can wear it. But speaking of jewelry type things, I thought it would be super cute to make those friendship bracelet things. And I bought some string. I'm just gonna make a bunch for my friends and get them to pick out what colors they want, and I think it'd be so much fun. I've never done this before, so it might be a huge disaster, but that's why I'm filming it, because I think it'll be super funny. So let's get started. All right. Oh, that was actually kind of lit. Let's see all the colors that I have. All right, so what I've gathered is I need a ruler, some tape, and string. I bought way too big of a pack. I know I'm not gonna use all of these, but this pack just had the cuter colors, and except for this. Get out of here. Just kidding. I love all colors, but like, you want a poop bracelet? Actually, that low-key would look kind of cute with this blue. Okay, anyways, moving on, let's gather our materials, shall we? All right, so I'm following a YouTube tutorial, and I will link it down below so you can also follow it, but we're starting off with the ones that look like these. All right, so I've actually decided that I'm just gonna go in with some cute colors because what if it actually turns out good, you know? So I think I'm gonna do these pastel colors, and she said to use 4 colors, and I think these will be super cute. Actually, I don't know. Is that cute? Okay, we're gonna start with these. I actually kind of want like a, but I don't want it to be too, okay, what am I doing? Just freaking start, Talia. Okay. Oh, this one. See, there's too many cute colors, and now I'm just like, I can't decide. Is there one with only 3 colors? Okay, let's use these 4 to start. Okay, and then we'll move on. I'm dumb, I need scissors. BRB. Okay. Oh, I don't like the colors that I chose. Why is this stressing me out? That's cute, let's do that. All right. No, I can't. Why do people always want to call me? Okay, I'm actually pretty impressed. I had to restart, but I'll show you. I just decided to like make a really mini one to practice, and that was my failed one that I cut off. This is what I have so far, and so that's what the pattern would be if I continued it. This is actually kind of easy and fun. Now that I've actually figured out how to do it properly, I think I'm going to try to make another one that's actually bigger this time so that it will work properly. I'm excited to see how this one turns out because I know how to do it now, and I feel like it'll look super cute and beachy. So I'm just measuring them all out to be roughly the same length and then cutting it. Okay, now what you do is you take them and you fold them in half. Ta-da! And now I'm making a little knot. Alright, there's my knot. And then I'm going to tape it down on my desk. And now to figure out the order that I want these in. So I put them in the order that I want them in, which is like that. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to do the technique that the lady taught me. So it has been a little bit since I filmed that last bit, but I want to tell you guys all that I've learned and just kind of tell you a lot of tips and things. So this is the first one that I ever made, which I already showed you guys. And this, ooh, I wasn't like ready to commit and actually tie it on because I'm indecisive, as we have found out from this video. But this is the like sandy beachy one that I was talking about, and this is the one that I'm making right now, and it's actually super perfect, and it's like the chevron pattern. By doing this, I can show you both ways so you can make both of these types of bracelets super easily. So let's do that. If you want to do the chevron pattern, you're going to want to put them mirroring each other. So let me show you. So I have orange, 2 cream, 2 yellow, orange. Orange, 2 yellow, 2 cream, orange. That is so each side is the same coming down. Alright, so now if you want to do this pattern, you are just going to put the pattern repeating. So I have white, dark blue, light blue, pink. White, dark blue, light blue, pink. So first thing that I do is I separate them into their different sides. So I put all these strings over here and then I just focus on this one. Now we're gonna do something called a forward knot. So basically what I do is I take the string, so the orange one is going over top like this and you make a 4. Then I pinch it where that 4 is and I'm gonna just move it down a little bit so that I can get this through, and then I bring it underneath, then I'm going to pull it tight. And that's 1, and you're gonna do 2 on each one. I'm taking this white string and I'm putting it to the side so I don't accidentally do it again. Now I'm doing the same thing. I basically just take the string that I want and put it over top, pinch it there, that goes under, and then I grab it, pull it through, and then pull it tight. If you're doing the chevron pattern, which is the one that I'm doing right now, you're gonna stop here and you're going to put your string to the side and then start doing it on the other side. And instead of starting from the way you would read a book, which is left to right, you're gonna go in the reversed way now so that they can meet in the middle. Now, instead of doing the 4s the same direction, I'm gonna do a backwards 4. Because I want it to come to meet the middle, taking the string and I'm doing it backwards. So I'm still putting the orange string over top of the beige string and underneath, like you would tie a shoelace, kind of, and then I'm pulling it tight. You want your bracelet to connect in the middle, so it's not just 2 separate bracelets like going off to each side. So now what you have to do is take your 2 middle strings and you're going to tie 2 knots there. If you want to make this straight line diagonal bracelet like this one, when you get to the middle of this, instead of stopping and going to the other side, you're just going to keep going all the way through all of the strings and then go back. So it's basically like you're reading a book. You'll go from left to right and then back to the left to right. You're never going to go the reverse way. Hopefully you learned a lot from that little tutorial session. I know when I was first learning, I was so confused about the 4 knots, but now I totally get it. A forward knot is basically you're just doing the regular 4, how you would draw a 4, the exact same way. And a backward knot is just the exact same thing, but you make a reverse 4. So instead of the point going that way, the point goes that way. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you had fun watching me or maybe trying them yourself. If you liked this video, give it a like, and if you loved it, please subscribe. I would love to see you guys again. I make tons of random aesthetic videos and vlogs, so please follow me. I would be so happy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! From